It was true, I had.
Nice.
She was a cute one too.
Yeah. Well, about James's level.
Oh, this is a perfect video.
Oh, fuck you! You can't do anything.
Keep going, keep going.
No,
Just keep going. Look, Katie's juggling there, looking perfectly bored. So you gotta keep going.
See, I can't do it. He's videotaping.
We're gonna make a gif of this.
Stupid morning dance.
We're gonna make a gif of this.
It's a GIF, motherfucker.
Oh, that.
Yeah, whatever.
Your mom's a GIF.
With Katie standing there perfectly bored, juggling these balls mechanically, and
Bored of its concentration.
Pook breaking it down.
You know what ruins a video? When somebody narrates what's happening in front of it while the video is being happening.
I didn't realize you were recording.
Yeah, the whole time.
This will be a great video. You
Hey, you making a video?
I didn't know you were making a video.
Hey guys, what's going on this side?
Me? Come on, like this.
Alright.
I need to get going. Well, he does now.
He can juggle if he likes.
Pour egg on it and start.
That's the idea.
45 seconds.
Rachel, pour the egg on this?
Wait, show the stuff inside the thing.
Not bad.
It's pretty.
Get in there.
Oops, sorry.
Remember to save some for Derek.
I'm trying to say something for Derek, so I'm going to press
So, yeah, one egg.
Keep going.
yeah. Dirk?
A little more.
A little more.
You should just chop the bacon up and mix it into that.
Dirk,
Be like a toasted
There you
western. Minus the
All
toast.
sloppy. You need a white. Yeah, you do.
So we're both juggling differently.
This is our routine.
This is our morning routine.
It's audience participation, faggot.